Hello, my name is Jillian Shelton. So many animals nowadays are highly endangered. They are endangered mainly because of us humans, but us humans can stop the endangerment. We all just need to come together and help.
This is a gray wolf. Scientific name, Canis lupus. They are very endangered, mainly because they are hunted year-round in every national park in the United States. If they were to go extinct, other large predators would go haywire. This is a black-footed ferret. Scientific name, Mustelella nigrips. They are endangered because habitat loss and non-native disease. There are approximately 300 left in the wild. Black-footed ferrets are one of the most endangered mammals in North America, and they are the only ferret species native to the continent. Their recovery in the wild signifies the health of grassland ecosystems which they depend on to survive. And if they were to go extinct, prairie dogs would overpopulate. This is a gray bat, also known as Mitosis griescens. They are endangered because of their habit of living in large numbers in only a few caves. As a result, they are extremely vulnerable to disturbance. Population numbers are approximately 1 million, but they are listed as endangered because 90% of the population is contracted in only 8 caves. And if they were to go extinct, owl populations would decrease and insect populations would increase. This is an Amur leopard, also called Perdus australis. They are endangered because they are being poached for their beautiful spotted fur. There are only about 60 left in the world, and if they were to go extinct, deers would overpopulate. This is a grizzly bear. Scientific name, Ursus arctos. They are highly endangered because of loss of habitat, poaching, global warming, and recreational hunting. If they were to go extinct, salmon population would overpopulate. This is a humpback whale, also known as the Megateropra nova in Lae. They were going extinct because of mass huntings. In 1966, the population reached an all-time low number at 5,000 worldwide. Whaling commissions issued a ban on hunting humpbacks. Thanks to the conservation, there are now 18,000 whales today. And if they were to go extinct, many fish in the ocean would overpopulate. This is a dunes sandbrush lizard, also called Scalopterus arenalsulus. To protect themselves from predators, they bury themselves in cool sand under the shining oak tree. But because of oil and gas development, there's nowhere for the lizard to hide. In the end of 2010, the service stated the lizard as endangered and started a conversation. But it was quickly dropped because people thought conserving the lizard would have a negative effect on New Mexico's oil and gas jobs. And if they were to go extinct, predators would lower in population. This is the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle, also called Lepidotrilces kempi. They are the world's most endangered turtle. When it is time for females to lay their eggs, they come up on shore and usually take up a large portion of the beach. When the turtles leave, they leave their eggs on the beach, making the eggs vulnerable to predators. Predators usually take the eggs or the baby turtles when they are making their way to the oceans. Humans also destroy eggs by beach cleanings. And if they were to go extinct, there would be a major decline in seagrass beds. This is a sea otter, scientific name, Endangered lutris. They are hunted for their ultra-soft waterproof fur. The sea otters are also having a hard time finding food. They are suffering from shark attacks and bacterial and viral infections. Sea otters eat sea urchins, so if otters go extinct, the urchin population would grow too big and they would eat plants faster than what they could grow, and animals dependent on those plants would go extinct. This is the Indiana bat, also called Mitosis scolatus. They have been experiencing human disturbance, mainly from cave commercialization. And if they were to go extinct, the owl population would decrease and the insect population would increase. This is the spotted owl, scientific name Strix occidentalis. They are endangered because of timber harvesting and catastrophic events such as fire and windstorms. There are only 2,000 left in the world. So, if they were to go extinct, small rodents would overpopulate. This is the Florida panther, also called as Puma concolor corgi. There are only 100 left. They have been experiencing habitat loss, which leads to them into more human-populated areas, which causes them to be hunted. If they were to go extinct, their prey would increase.
Now, as you can probably tell, these animals are highly at risk and they need your help. Many conservationists such as World Wildlife Federation and National Wildlife Federation are trying to help these species the best they can, but you can still help. You can donate money to these beautiful creatures, and in the end, the creatures will help us. Thank you for your time.